Your thesis statement is your roadmap for your essay. In our DBQ essay, we are going to focus on a 5-paragraph essay. So your thesis statement is going to highlight your 3 body paragraphs. A great thesis statement answers the question being asked. In our case, the question is, explain how the Nazis changed life for Jews socially, politically, and economically. You'll take a position. You'll preview the main points. And again, this is going to be your roadmap. So when we consider all of the documents that we have read and analyzed thus far, we are going to need to decide how those show economic, political, or social change. And so our point 1 would be political change that happens for Jews. Point 2 would be social change that happened to Jews. And point 3 would be economic change that happens for Jews. Because this is our first time creating a thesis statement together, I have gone ahead and given you a sentence frame. But before we do that, I want to show you my example. Again, a clear thesis statement provides information about what the reader or your audience is going to read as they continue on with your essay. So for example, my thesis statement was, during the 1990s, Miss Briggs' parents' life changed politically by the election of Bill Clinton as president, socially by having less time to commit to their friendships, and economically by having to provide for an additional member of the family. I can tell just by reading this thesis what the essay is going to be about and what Miss Briggs is going to expand upon as she continues on with her essay. Your sentence frame is, during the Holocaust, Nazis changed life for Jews politically by government-supported violence, socially by, and then you would fill in your example there, and economically by, and again, you would fill in your what you are going to write about in your economic paragraph. Now, I have given you the first one. We know for a fact that Nazis changed life for Jews politically because government supported a lot of the violence that happened to the Jews. But it is your job now to fill in the other blanks to show what you want to write about. Again, you have some choice here, so really look through the documents, figure out the major themes of how the social changes for Jews as well as the economic changes for Jews, and fill in your thesis statement accordingly. Once you have finished writing your thesis statement, you're going to go back to our class website and submit your completed thesis statement on the Google form provided. As always, please email me or call me if you have any questions.